guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. So today's video is sponsored by Mane and Tail. I'll be using their products to show you how to do this really quick and easy style on my natural hair. So as you can see, my hair has been freshly washed and conditioned. It's feeling good, it's clean, and that is due to Mane and Tail. I did use their Biotin Infused Repair and Replenish shampoo and conditioner, which I'll link the video down below where I gave a full in-depth review. Now, since I was doing 2 low braided buns, I wanted to obviously make sure that my hair was sectioned into 2 equal parts. So I did just part my hair all the way down the middle. The back, of course, is always really hard to get it super straight. So I did go in the mirror to do that, and it came out really good. And then I'm going to just add a little bit of oil to the parts because you want to make sure your scalp is not dry and stuff when you have ponytails. Now this right here is the Mane and Tail new Biotin Infused Detangler Extreme. So I'm going to be using this today. This is supposed to be used to get through hard to comb hair, get through your tangles, and it's also made with argan oil, which is really good for not only conditioning the hair, but also strengthening and helping to prevent breakage and split ends. So you just see me spraying this all over my hair. You can use it on dry or damp hair, which my hair was damp. And even though this is like a watery, loose consistency, you definitely can feel the oils and the moisture that it gives. And not only that, it smells so freaking good. It has this nice like tropical scent, and I really enjoyed that. So I'm just going to make sure I spray this until my hair is saturated enough to my liking, and then I'm going to go in with my brush and detangle, and you'll see just how easy detangling was. Like, my brush went through and it took me probably like less than a minute to detangle this whole section. Now, after you use the Detangler Extreme, you want to style as usual. So I did go in with the Repair and Replenish conditioner from Mane and Tail, just because I wanted something that was a bit more heavier on my hair, since my hair is low porosity, it's thick, and it needs a lot of moisture. And not only can this conditioner be used as a rinse out, it can be used as a leave-in. So it's sulfate free, paraben free, it's also made with coconut oil, and it's just super duper moisturizing. So I applied that. So the last things I did were brush my hair down just to make it a bit more sleek, and then I put it into a ponytail, making sure not to put it in too tight. But you will notice that I didn't add any gel, just because I wanted to, eliminate any type of breakage, and gels can be kind of harsh on my hair personally. And then plus the Detangler Extreme and the Repair and Replenish conditioner help to combat frizz. So once I brushed it down, I really didn't even feel like I needed to add anything extra. So now I'm just going in with my detangling brush one last time before I braid this section, and you guys can see like my curls are literally popping, and this is from the Detangler Extreme and that Repair and Replenish conditioner. So these two products are amazing for curl definition, but we are going to be braiding this up, and then I'll wrap the braid around and secure it with a bobby pin, and then that is the first braided bun. So I went ahead and did the exact same steps to the other section. So I applied a generous amount of the Detangler Extreme just so that detangling this section would be super easy and my brush would glide right through just like it did. And then I did add some of the Repair and Replenish conditioner, a nice generous amount of this so that my hair was nice and moisturized, especially since I planned on keeping this in for at minimum a week, which I did. And then I'm going to just brush it into a nice sleek ponytail, braid my hair, and then wrap my braid around into a nice bun. And then that's the style. This was really quick to do, you guys, literally under 30 minutes. Now the last thing I did right here was add a little bit of gel just so I could help these little curlies on the side of my hair curl up nicely. You do not have to do this, but I always just think it's cute to leave these out. And then I did also add a little bit of gel to the perimeter of my hair to lay my baby hairs. And then this is the final look. And like I said, this was a super quick and easy style to do, so it lasted me a good week. My hair was still nice, soft, and moisturized, and smelled really good when I did take it down. So I highly encourage you to try out that Mane and Tail Detangler Extreme as well as the rest of the Mane and Tail products. So I will have their website down below and also where you can get the Detangler Extreme. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.